How to make a YouTube watermark using Canva's free version in your mobile app. We are going to create a YouTube watermark in square shape using Canva's free version in the mobile app. Simply follow these easy steps. Just create a new design in Canva. Select the square shape design because the square-shaped watermark is considered the best. Select Instagram post as your new design in Canva. Click three dots at the top and customize its size and dimensions. Click on the color at the bottom menu. Then click the plus sign and enter a solid color code. Then click on the color palette. Enter the solid color code #FF0000. It's your background for YouTube watermark. Click on Elements on the bottom. Just type YouTube logo in search bar. You will find multiple graphics and designs here to edit. You can add YouTube button on your design's red background. Click on the red and white YouTube logo button and also make its background red by entering solid color code #FF0000. Grab the corner and make it larger. You can easily centralize this by just grabbing and dragging it down or up, left or right. Now add text at any point you want to have. Click text in menu bar at the bottom. Just drag and adjust it where you want below the YouTube logo button. Type subscribe, change its color as white. Then change its font size that you think is more attractive and readable for people. Make sure that the YouTube logo button and subscribe is perfectly aligned and centered at the red canvas. At the top, click three dots, click the edit sign. Here you can write the name of your project. Let us name this project as YouTube Watermark Red and White. Simply download your YouTube Watermark project. It will be saved automatically in your mobile gallery. Now your YouTube Watermark Red and White is ready to upload on your YouTube channel.